Let us now study the distribution of a few major minerals in India. Always remember that the concentration of mineral in the ore, the ease of extraction, and the closeness to the market play an important role in affecting the economic viability of a reserve. Thus, to meet the demand, a choice has to be made between a number of possible options. When this is done, a mineral deposit or reserve turns into a mine. Ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. They provide a strong base for the development of the metallurgical industry. India exports substantial quantities of ferrous minerals after meeting her internal demands. Iron ore. Iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore. India is rich in good quality iron ores. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron, up to 70%. It has excellent magnetic qualities, especially valuable in the electrical industry. Hematite ore is the most important industrial iron ore in terms of the quantity used, but has a slightly lower iron content than magnetite, that is 50 to 60%. Iron ore belts in India. The major iron ore belts in India are Orissa Jharkhand belt, in Orissa, high-grade hematite ore is found in Badam Pahar mines, in the Mayurbhanj, and Kendujhar districts. In the adjoining Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, hematite iron ore is mined in Goa and Noa Mandi. Durg-Bastar Chandrapur belt, Durg-Bastar Chandrapur belt lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Very high-grade hematites are found in the famous Bailadila range of hills in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. The range of hills comprise of 14 deposits of super high-grade hematite iron ore. It has the best physical properties needed for steel making. Iron ore from these mines is exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port. Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt, Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt in Karnataka has large reserves of iron ore. The Kudurmukh mines located in the western Ghats of Karnataka are a 100% export unit. Kudurmukh deposits are known to be one of the largest in the world. The ore is transported as slurry through a pipeline to a port near Mangalore. Maharashtra-Goa belt. Maharashtra-Goa belt includes the state of Goa and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Though the ores are not of very high quality, yet they are efficiently exploited. Iron ore is exported through Marmagao port. Non-ferrous minerals. Copper. India's reserves and production of non-ferrous minerals is not very satisfactory. However, these minerals, which include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc, and gold, play a vital role in a number of metallurgical, engineering, and electrical industries. Copper. India is critically deficient in the reserve and production of copper. Being malleable, ductile, and a good conductor. Copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics, and chemical industries. The Balaghat mines in Madhya Pradesh produce 52% of India's copper. The Singhbhum district of Jharkhand is also a leading producer of copper. The Khetri mines in Rajasthan are also famous. Bauxite. Several ores contain aluminium. It is from bauxite, a clay-like substance, that alumina and later aluminium is obtained. Bauxite deposits are formed by the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks rich in aluminium silicates. Aluminium is an important metal because it combines the strength of metals such as iron, with extreme lightness and also with good conductivity and great malleability. India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Amarkantak Plateau, Mehkal Hills, and the plateau region of Bilaspur, Katni. Orissa is the largest bauxite producing state in India, with 45% of the country's total production in 2000-2001. Panchpatmali deposits in Koraput district are the most important bauxite deposits in the state. Manganese. Manganese is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides, and paints. Orissa is the largest producer of manganese ores in India. It accounted for 1/3 of the country's total production in 2000-2001. Non-metallic minerals. Mica is a mineral made up of a series of plates or leaves. It splits easily into thin sheets. These sheets can be so thin that 1,000 can be layered into a mica sheet of a few centimeters high. Mica can be clear, black, green, red-yellow, or brown. Due to its excellent dielectric strength, low power loss factor, insulating properties and resistance to high voltage, mica is one of the most indispensable minerals used in electric and electronic industries. Mica deposits are found in the northern edge of the Chota-Nagpur plateau. Koderma Gaya Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand is the leading producer. In Rajasthan, the major mica producing area is around Ajmer. Nellore mica belt of Andhra Pradesh is also an important producer in the country. Rock minerals. Limestone is found in association with rocks composed of calcium carbonates or calcium and magnesium carbonates. It is found in sedimentary rocks of most geological formations. Limestone is the basic raw material for the cement industry and essential for smelting iron ore in the blast furnace. Stricter safety regulations and implementation of environmental laws are essential to prevent mining from becoming a killer industry. Conservation of minerals. We all appreciate the strong dependence of industry and agriculture upon mineral deposits and the substances manufactured from them. The total volume of workable mineral deposits is an insignificant fraction, that is 1% of the Earth's crust. We are rapidly consuming mineral resources that required millions of years to be created and concentrated. The geological processes of mineral formation are so slow that the rates of replenishment are infinitely small in comparison to the present rates of consumption. Mineral resources are therefore finite and non-renewable. Rich mineral deposits are our country's extremely valuable but short-lived possessions. Continued extraction of ores leads to increasing costs as mineral extraction comes from greater depths along with decrease in quality. A concerted effort has to be made in order to use our mineral resources in a planned and sustainable manner. Improved technologies need to be constantly evolved to allow use of low-grade ores at low cost. Recycling of metals, using scrap metals and other substitutes are steps in conserving our mineral resources for the future.